Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Biotech Help. Today we will discuss about the disease in crucifer. There are several diseases occur in the crucifer. Here we discuss about some common disease that occur in crucifer and affect the productivity of the crop or other plants. Here, first of all, we discuss about the disease Alternaria leaf spot. This is a common disease occur in the crucifer or in cabbage, broccoli or other crops. This disease is caused by fungus Alternaria brassicaceae. This fungus cause several serious problems on the cabbage and other crucifers. This mostly cause the reduction in the market quality of the crop. This pathogen mainly attack on the young plants than the mature one. Here we discuss about the symptoms that are related to the Alternaria leaf spot. The fungus Alternaria produce round or brown colored lesions on the infected leaf, which may be circular, oval or elongated. On the infected leaf or stem, the presence of the concentric ring also shown in the figure. Now we will discuss about the control and management of this disease. To prevent the disease, we can follow the several steps such as we can use the appropriate fungicide that is effective against the class of Alternaria. Other than, we can also choose a variety that is genetically resistant to this fungus or have gene that protect the crop from this disease. The next one is the anthrocirrhosis. This is also an important disease that is studied in the crucifer. This disease is caused by the Colletotrichum fungi. This is a common group of plant pathogens that are responsible for the disease in many plant species. The symptoms of the anthrocirrhosis include that plant develop dark, watery soaked lesions as shown in the figure on stem and leaves. Sometimes the center of the lesions is covered with the pink or gelatinous mass of spore in moist weather. This disease is mostly spread in the cool or wet weather. The temperature, the low temperature and the moist condition are increase the occurrence of the disease and their spread. For the treatment of anthrocirrhosis, we can choose the resistant variety that are genetically stable against the particular kind of fungus. Otherwise, we may also use the neem oil to protect the plant from the fungus. Sometimes the liquid copper spray and sulfur powder should be applied for the same. The precautions we should measure that if the fungal problem is common, we should not save the seed from such crop for the plantation in the next season. And we do not compost the infected leaf, fruit, stem and the other plant part that are infected. We should clean up the garden area if the leaves or stem of the crop is infected from this disease. Next, we come to the other disease that is known as black rot. The black rot disease is not much severe but is an important disease in the crucifer. Here we discuss about some important topics that are related to the black rot. This disease is caused by the bacterium Xanthomonas compresstis. This is caused the destructive effect on the crucifer in all the cultivated type of crucifer. The plants can be affected at any stage of growth, although the most severe loss occur when seedlings are infected in the plant. The symptoms are shown in the figure. This include the V-shaped lesions on the leaf or the stem, mainly in the leaf, which is occur at the edge of the leaf and grow up to the veins of the leaf. This is mainly spread in the spring season, which is spread by the water or the mechanical methods or by the insects. This may include the development of brown or black color spot in the leaf edge, which are starting from the edge and then penetrate up to the veins in the leaf. As shown in the figure, the infected area is enlarged with the time. Now we will discuss about the management of the black rot disease. In the management, the primary method of controlling the black rot is through the use of the good sanitization practice, crop rotation to non-crucifer crop every 2 years. We choose the resistant variety to control the disease in the crucifer. Now, the next disease is the club root disease. The club root disease is most common in the crucifer. This is caused by the Plasmodium brassicacea. This is the most common disease in the cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower, etc. It is infected and the susceptible plant, the pathogen is entered through the root or root hairs. The symptoms from the club root is include that the root are become swollen or look like the club shape. As a result, the plant vascular system is blocked and the root are utilized most of the nutrient and water, due to which the roots are swell and look like the club as shown in the figure. The club root will reduce the yield and can cause the total crop failure sometime. For the management of the club root disease, every fungicide could not be used because fungicide will not treat this soil dwelling microorganism and it survive for a longer time in the soil. Then we should use the resistant cultivar when possible. Next, carefully remove the infected part and sanitize the garden and the garden tools, because sometimes it may also increase the susceptibility of the plant. We should also use the other method to control the disease is to increase the pH of the soil above alkaline. It also prevents the development of the pathogen and may break their life cycle. We can also use the solarization method to sanitize our soil or crop field. In the solarization method, we can use a clear plastic trap on the surface of soil for 4 to 6 weeks during the hottest part of the year. Solarization will reduce or eliminate many soil inhabiting pests such as bacteria, fungi, or other pathogens such as protozoans, nematodes also. To protect our crop from the clubroot fungi, we also use the crop rotation method. So, I think this video helps you more. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.